All right, it is March 2nd, 2026. An update at our camp here in Quartzsite, Arizona. Crowds are starting to dissipate a little bit. This is our camp. A few flyovers, some desert art, a labyrinth, a look at the overall Quartzsite town. This is who's here right now. Got a good crowd. Well, we always have a good crowd. I got some morning sun, I got some afternoon sun. I love how the light is in the early morning and in the evening. It's been too hot lately, but it's going to cool down. Beautiful mountains in the background, beautiful open desert in the background. A few campers off in the distance. People generally like their solitude out here. I mean, in this part, closer to the road they don't. There's a little more altitude and a better look off into the distance. And our camp, which is right in the front. That cool desert art. Love, peace, and joy. I know the guy that made that. A labyrinth. Quartzsite. Actually, a 400-foot look up above looks better off in the distance. I forget to do this shot sometimes. We're looking at Quartzsite from where we're camping. The big trucks on the road, you can see Interstate 10 there. Anyway, thanks for watching.